Hi everybody. Today we're going to the farm. I'm going to be outside because it's nice outside. So we're going to do some animals that you see at the farm. The first one is a baby chicken. Get your wings out, flap them, and they go cheep, 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 cheep. So flap those wings really fast. Cheep, 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 cheep. Okay. Next animal sometimes you see at a farm is a bunny rabbit. So we're gonna do some bunny hops. Put your feet down. Hop, 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 hop like a bunny. All right. The next thing we're gonna do a cat, meow, and a cow, moo. We're gonna do them both together, okay? So we're gonna go on our hands and knees. When we do cat, they arch their back up, meow. And when we do cow, moo, we let our back sag. So go, meow, moo, meow, moo. That's cat and cow. All right. Now we have dog. Woof, 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 woof. And we go into downward facing dog for that. So we go on our hands and knees. And our dog tail goes up. You can shake your dog tail. Or you can stretch one leg up, bring it down. Stretch the other leg. That's dog. Now we have pig. Oink, 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 oink. Pigs like mud. They like to roll in the mud. So we're going to lay on our backs. Lay down and we're going to roll. You can roll side to side. Or you can roll back and forth. Oink, 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 oink. Play in that mud. All right. Another thing you might see on the farm is a frog. Well, you really won't see a frog most of the time. You might see a toad. And toads, we'll say ribbit, ribbit. And what I really want you to do with this one is work on stretching. They hop, but they also sit and they get their frog legs out nice and wide and their legs in front and stretch out your hips. And you can even catch some flies with your long tongue. All right. Now we have a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Ducks waddle. This is a tough one. Can you waddle like a duck? Waddle like a duck. Way low. All right. The next one we have is zebra. Wait a minute. Are there zebras on a farm? No, I'm teasing. No zebras on a farm. They're at the zoo. All right. Now we have a horse. So we're going to get up and we're going to gallop. Gallop like a horse. Lead with one leg and then switch. Lead with the other leg. That's galloping. Next one, it's a goat. Goats sometimes will kick, or a donkey maybe will kick. So we're going to do some donkey goat kicks. We're going to go on our hands and our knees, and we're going to kick up with one leg, and then we're going to kick up with the other leg. Well, it was fun taking a trip with you to the farm.